Hello everyone, Mr. Benora here. For teachers who are using Google Classroom, there's three little features that I think will make your lives a little bit easier. The first thing I want to show you is how you can invite a co-teacher into your Google Classroom environment. So let's go ahead and click on one of my classes here. Technology 6, this is for my 6th graders in technology. At the moment, I am the only teacher. You can tell that because under the title of the class, there's my little icon, and there's my name. In order to add other teachers to this class, I have to go to the About section and find this Invite Teacher button. And that's going to be underneath my name, underneath my profile image. It's going to be in the same place yours is. So I can hit that Invite Teacher button, and then all of my options for teachers to invite pop up. I can invite, and it's pretty simple. The next thing I want to show you is something that your invited teacher might appreciate, and that is how to turn off notifications. For me, I like getting notified every time a student makes a comment in Google Classroom. It has made my days where I'm absent productive, even if I'm sick at home with just the laptop in my lap. Because if a student makes a comment in Google Classroom, I know right away that notification is sent to my email, which means it's sent to my phone, sent to my laptop. However, sometimes if you have a co-teacher and this is not their primary class, they just don't want to be notified every time a student has a question in Google Classroom. So to do that, you click on these three little lines up here in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. And you can go to Settings. And here's your big notifications checkbox. If you don't want email notifications, uncheck the box and you're ready to roll. I do recommend you leave that checked if they're your Google Classrooms, but for something you're a co-teacher in, if you don't want that much notification, if you don't want that much control, or if you, like me, have shared a classroom with an administrator, uncheck that box for them. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is where my work is, or where my student work is, more accurately. There's a couple places you can find it. The first and the easiest way to get there is at the bottom of every class, there's a little folder. And if I click on my folder, that launches my Google Drive folder where all of my students' Google Classroom work is. And it's arranged by assignment title. It makes it really, really nice and easy to work with. So that's where all your student work goes. Another place you can find this work is if you launch the class and go to the About section, you can click on the Google Drive folder there as well. Those are just some quick tips on Google Classroom that I think a lot of people aren't using or a lot of people don't know about. I hope you've enjoyed this. As always, email me if you have questions.